Just imagine that we spend at least 6 hours each week doing chores, which translates to over 100 days of continuous cleaning, washing, and scrubbing in a lifetime. Luckily, the developments of the 21st century allow us to outsource this routine to the intelligent machines, like robot vacuums. They are no longer fancy toys of the rich, but rather convenient helpers around the house. In this episode, we will cover the 8 cheapest models currently on sale that cost under $200 and deserve to be added to your cart on the next shopping spree. Subscribe to Must See Tech not to miss the upcoming reviews, ring the bell, and let's roll! Eufylife RoboVac 11S. Eufy is a subsidiary brand of the Chinese Anker Innovation that creates all kinds of smart home solutions, from appliances to security systems. Their new generation RoboVac 11S vacuum can be operated using a remote control, has the slimmest profile in the company's product range, and features an anti-scratch tempered glass cover and a long-lasting triple filter. It cleans using random navigation, but easily avoids getting stuck and demonstrates sufficient edge cleaning capabilities. The model also gets updated intelligent boost IQ tech that allows it to switch from low to high power automatically when the robot transitions from hard floors to carpet. Finally, the 11S is one of the quietest models on the market, with the noise level at low power reaching just 55 decibels. It is the #1 best-selling Amazon product in the category, with more than 15,000 ratings. ILIFE V3s Pro. Apart from having dual robotic vacuums, the ILIFE also offers a variety of models that were specifically designed for certain tasks. Among them is the V3s Pro, which is claimed to be ideal for pet owners due to its tangle-free care technology. Unlike conventional robots, it does not have a standard brush roll, replacing it with a suction port, which picks up hairs, dirt, and debris. This means that ILIFE performs best on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its airflow is rated at 16.4 cubic feet per minute, and by this number, the V3s Pro can be compared to the most expensive robots on the market. Other important features include 2 extra long side brushes for the edge cleaning, anti-dropping sensors, and considerable runtime of 100 minutes. Deebot N79S. Deebots are usually praised for their higher levels of suction and lower pricing, backed up by thousands of reviews and Amazon's recommendation badge. Namely, the N79S has 10,000 ratings and is Ecovac's best-selling product by a long shot. The bot has 120 minutes operation time on low setting, which comes in handy for the random cleaning pattern bots. The thing is Alexa and Google Assistant compatible, which allows you to schedule cleanings using voice commands instead of a regular app. The 3 cleaning modes allow you to manually focus on vacuuming edges, spot circular pattern, or full automatic cleanup. Keep it in mind that some Deebot N79S rating has been slipping for the past couple of months due to the application issues and compatibility, so do look into it prior to buying. Roomba 614. This model is a little more expensive than the benchmark that we set. However, if you're shopping for a Roomba at the right time, chances are that you will get it for a price really close to $200. This is an affordable product from a well-known and highly trusted manufacturer that provides outstanding customer support and warranty service. Being a Roomba, the 614 features the patented dual multi-surface brushes, which makes it an unbeatable cleaner of carpets. The bot follows a random protocol in cleaning the room, has cliff detection sensor, and a special feature called Dirt Detect that implies back-and-forth cleaning of particularly dirty areas. The cleaning is taken to the edge with a side brush designed at 27 degrees, and the battery life is sufficient for up to 90 minutes. Do not forget that all of these robo vacuums could be purchased on Amazon. So consider shopping through our affiliate links in the description and the pinned comment. Like this episode, and let's keep rolling. Amarey A800. One of the two products offered by the Shanghai Amarey, the A800, is a random navigation bot that has 360-degree sensor protection, a triple filter system with 2 side brushes, and powerful suction to clean all kinds of debris. At only 2.7 inches high, the A800 will be able to get under most sofas and cabinets in your home. Though due to it being so compact, it is not very good at crossing thresholds. The Amarey can perform scheduled cleanings and has 4 cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Single Room. It does not come with a smartphone app, but gets a remote control instead that can be used to choose the power level or manually navigate the robot. Deebot 500. Following the extremely popular Deebot N79S, this is the second best-selling and the cheapest model from Ecovacs. The 500 follows the 3-stage cleaning protocol of sweeping, lifting, and vacuuming, being aided by dual-side brushes for extra attention to the edges. With a 110-minute battery life and 520 ml dust bin, it can cover quite large surface areas. The Deebot 500 could be integrated with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and is controlled via an app that offers convenient scheduling. The set of sensors is quite standard, including anti-collision, fall prevention, and automatic docking. The overwhelming majority of buyers are happy with the Ecovacs bot, but I have to mention negative reviews about smartphone connectivity issues, algorithm confusion, and obvious reliability issues. Coredy R650. This is a mid-spec model in Coredy product line that has 5 cleaning modes, vacuuming different surfaces equally well. The R650 features a Boost Intellect technology, which automatically increases suction power seconds before the robot reaches a carpet. In addition, this model boasts an upgraded 17 ounces dustbin and bigger HEPA 13 filters, which are now washable. The 2.77-inch low bot is equipped with both anti-drop and highly sensitive anti-collision technology, while the 2600 mAh battery is good enough for 2 hours runtime. Finally, each R650 will arrive with 2 extra side brushes, 1 extra HEPA filter, and over 13 feet of magnetic boundary strips that allows you to separate the areas which should be avoided by the robot. Lefant M300. This is the entry-level product of the Chinese company Lefant that specializes in manufacturing unibody robo-vacuums. It operates using free-moving technology, has powerful suction, and can last for a 2-hour-long cleaning. The model features a large 0.6-liter dust box and has 1-button operation. Though the M300 is not a smart robot, it does come with a few smart features. The vacuum is equipped with 11 anti-drop radars, which make sure it does not fall down the stairs, and 3 anti-collision sensors, which allow it to avoid obstacles. Among the downsides of the M300, we should highlight the absence of a charging base, meaning that you will have to remember plugging it after the cleaning is done. Goovi 1600 PA. This is yet another affordable example of a RoboVac that nevertheless receives Amazon's Choice Badge and a 4.5-star rating from 4,500 reviews. Unlike many models in this video, the Goovi has manufacturer's suggested retail price below $200 without any discounts. so there is no need to wait for a Black Friday sale to buy it. As the name suggests, it has 1600 PA suction power, great for hardwoods, though the side brushes appear to be too long, which results in scattered debris and longer than required cleaning times. Bear in mind that this product markets solely through retailers and appears not to have a dedicated website, so you might end up having troubles with the warranty claims. Bear in mind that in this review, we stayed away from the low-quality models, which cost below $100, and we do recommend you to do the same. Let us know in the comments whether you want to own one of the presented vacuums, and if you already do, give us some honest feedback. Subscribe to Must See Tech, like this video, and proceed to watching other episodes which are displayed on the screen. We'll see you later!